We're Kids Hack Day, and during the last 2 years, we've been running technology workshops for kids all over the world.
Based on this experience and our work with Strawbees, we have created a maker toy combining programming, electronics and mechanics. We call it the Quirkbot, and it's a toy to make toys.
Quirkbot is the microcontroller toy that anyone can program. It works with Arduino and the construction toy Strawbees. With squeeze-on electronics, you can connect components to the legs of the Quirkbot by simply squeezing a straw over them. Snap on a backpack to add extra functions. With Quirkbot, it's easy for anyone to build an interactive project in an instant. The Quirkbot requires no soldering or breadboarding, and you can recharge it with a standard micro USB. Working with kids, we have designed an easy-to-use visual programming interface that runs directly in your browser, so you can create, modify, and share projects with your friends. Quirkbot adds life to your creations, bringing motion, sound, and light to almost anything. Regular straws become the framework for your imagination.
I'm an elephant!
We believe that making your own toys should be as fun as playing with them. So order your Quirkbot today and start making.